Hello guys, welcome back to Zik the programming guide channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to share a TikTok video to your TikTok story. A lot of people find it hard to actually share a random TikTok video on their story. So I'm going to show you how to actually do this. So first thing you have to do is open up your TikTok app just like this. Once you open it up, and let's say this is the video, any of this video that you want to actually post on your story, all you need to do is click on this arrow right there, click on the share arrow, and you're going to look below right here. You can see where it says add to story. Let me just indicate it. Add to story right there. Click on that, and once you click on it, it's going to take a while to actually load up, right? So it's going to take it directly to your story. You can just add text, and this is how to actually post someone's TikTok video to your story. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.